erased with your nail every fault line you named. I watched my own shape fall away like plaster from a wall, and stood there in the cold white dust with nothing left at all. The pieces on the table did not look like they belonged, like a hymn sung in the wrong key, or a verse that came out wrong. But I gathered every fragment, every shot you called a flaw, and pressed them back together with the only thing I saw. There is a cathedral in the hollow of my chest, where the old god died and the new one has not yet blessed. I light my own candles with the sulfur of regret, and I sing the hymns I have not learned yet. You split me apart, and I rebuild myself again. Not the same vessel, not the same hands. You split me apart, and I rebuild myself again, bone by borrowed bone, until the new shape stands. I found my ribs in the garden where you buried what you broke. I found my spine in the river, wrapped in silt and winter oak. I found my voice in the attic in a box without a key, and I sang till the lock dissolved and the sound came back to me. You wanted me hollow so you could hear your own name echo, but hollow things can hold a storm, and I have learned the crescendo. I am not the ruin you arranged, not the wreckage you designed. I am the architect of ash who builds a new thing from the grind. You thought the cracks would hold me down, you thought I would stay undone, but the mortar in my marrow is the work I have not yet done. I am not what you unbroke, I am what you could not keep. I am the thing that stitches in the silence, in the deep. I am the needle and the thread, I am the wound and what comes after. I am the dirge and the dawn, I am the broken. The shape I wore before.